Hello world, my name is Coach Benga. In this tutorial video, I want to teach you how to unlock the secret power in you. How to unlock that secret power in every human being. Your ability to unlock this secret power will transform your financial life, will enable you to transform your career life, your spiritual life, your emotional life, and it will help you in all ramifications. 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 7, the Bible speaking saying, "For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and love and of sound mind," self-control. Within each person is a hidden power that once discovered can transform their entire existence. This notion invites us to consider our lives not as a series of random events, but as a canvas for the manifestation of divine power. It's an invitation to step beyond the boundaries of conventional existence into a realm where every thought and action is infused with deeper meaning and purposes. At the core of unlocking one's secret power, faith and belief stand as towering beacons guiding individuals through the fog of doubt and uncertainty. The life of our Lord Jesus Christ has given us example that we can only get what we desire by faith and constantly focus on the object to be achieved. Belief can transcend the ordinary mere thought into a living, breathing entity within us. Jesus illustrated in his teaching that faith is not a passive state but an active force capable of moving mountains and calming storms, both literally and metaphorically. Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. For your faith to work dramatically and speedily, you must allow calmness, peace within you, fearlessness, and all things are possible mentality, irrespective of the prevailing circumstances around you. Encounter with the moment of deep peace and tranquility, or witnessing the calm aura of others often kindle a desire for similar serenity in our lives. Such experiences serve as a gentle reminder of a vast untapped potentials lurking within, suggesting that our daily struggles and fears need not to be the sum total of our existence. You must understand this, that our daily struggles and fears need not to be the sum total of our existence. In fact, there is more to our existence than what you see daily in the physical world. Don't always trust in the general conclusion of people. All that you can see is not all there is. In order to embark on this transformation journey, we must unwaveringly believe in the unseen realm. This is the key to unlock the secret power in you. You must dangerously believe on the unseen realm. You must believe it like there is nothing else. So, this is how to unlock the secret power in you that can transform every aspect of your life if you can engage it. Meditate on this message and I believe it will transform your life. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any question, you can make comment at the comment section and we will respond to you. Thank you for listening.